Okay, so we're going to work number 19 together. And you have 6x squared equals 288. So we're going to divide through by 6. And we're going to get x squared equals 48. So then we're going to take the square root of both sides. And we're going to get x equals whatever the square root of 48 is, which it's 4 square root of 3. But you have to remember that anything squared, whether it's positive or negative, gives you the positive solution. So we really have x equals 4 square root of 3, and x also equals negative 4 square root of 3. And when you get those in their decimal point form, you end up with this.